Today we'll be changing oil on Tacoma 2015. They're similar from 2006, I believe, to 2015. So first, let's open the car. Open the latch hood. To open, you just spray it, and then there's a little latch right here, right there. Let's pick this up. And if you start your car, you want it to cool off for like 10 to 20 minutes so the oil is not hot and doesn't burn your hands. On the cap it shows what oil to use. This one says 530. I'm gonna use 1030, so I'm sure 1030 is just fine. But you usually want to do what recommends which one. This is 530, and then it also depends on the weather and where you live at, if it's too hot or too cold. Just look it up online, see what you need. So to change oil, you can either do by hand or buy a special tool to remove oil filters. Funnel, paper towel, breaker bar, one of these, and for my truck it's 14mm, and you'll need like 5 point something of oil. So I got 5 quarts, it's a total of 6 quarts, 5 and 1, and then also a filter which is pH 3614. that's for Tacoma 2006 to 2015. And also get like something to lay on. See, I don't have to jack up my truck because it's high enough. And also make sure it's on e-brake and on parking so it doesn't roll. So the oil bolt is underneath. Right here, this one, that's where it's at, located. So what I like to do is take a Sharpie and leave a mark right here, and also on the bolt. So once you tighten it, you know where it's supposed to go. And another way is to do is if you have a torque wrench, but I just do mine by feel. For the easy access, grab a 10mm. Remove this. Take the cover off. Now you got easier access to the filter. To remove the filter, either you try with the hand. If it doesn't work, grab a special tool. And there you go. I like to put a paper towel right here just in case if it leaks all over right here. What you want to do is wipe this. Make sure there's no dust, nothing, no old oil. And make sure the old rubber gasket from the oil filter didn't stay on it. This part right here. So the old one didn't stay on it. So what you want to do with a new one, put some little bit of oil on it, on the gasket, and then screw it in. What you want to do is screw it in just lightly, and once, like finger tight, like this. Once it gets snugged right there, you just feel it's grabbing just barely. And that's when you go 3/4 of a turn from here to here. That you can either mark it with something, or you can just remember where it's at and go 3/4 of a turn. And there you go. You can go a little bit tighter if you want, but it recommends 3/4 of a turn. Hand tight. Once it's done, you kind of want to wipe it, put the bolt in tiny bit, wipe again, what I like to do is put around 4.5 or 5 quarts. You always want to put less and then check and put again. Use a funnel. Then check how much oil you have. I need more. Once you tighten the filter, pour some oil in there, at least 4.5 quarts or up to 5. snug it closed. Make sure that nothing's leaking and the bolt is tight. What you want to do is start the car, hold brakes, let it idle for a little bit, then switch from rear while holding brakes, neutral, D, for all your gears, then neutral, then parking. Now what you want to do is, while it's on park, hold around 2 RPMs for a few seconds. Now let go, turn off, let it sit for about two minutes or 3, and then check your level. Once it's set for a little bit, pull the yellow engine oil stick out, have your paper towel with you, wipe it really good, and put it in. Let it sit for a second, and then pull it out. Check it. Mine's still low, so I have to add some more. Lightly close it. And do the same part what you did the first time. Start the car, let it run, and let it sit for a minute or 2, then check it again. To reset oil light maintenance or maintenance request for your truck or car, once you change the oil, is you put the key in, make sure it's on trip A, and then turn off, take the key out, and then while the key is out, you press the button and hold. While it holds, put the key in again, turn it on, and you'll see that blinking. Once it disappears, it goes to all zeros, it's reset. If it's hard to figure it out, check out my other video on that one.